What up everyone, this is your boy The Gamer coming to you with another unboxing of this thing I bought not too long ago called the Google Home Mini, and it's exclusive only on the Google store. Just this color right here. This color right here is a coral color that you can only get on the Google's store if you want to get it. But it's like a pinkish coral color. That's really cool. I liked it. So let's get into the unboxing. So let's show you what it can do. It can play your Spotify, YouTube, Netflix. It can do all this stuff. So let's get into the boxing right here. Let's pull this tab right here. So this is what's inside the box right here. The Google Home Mini. And then let's pull this out right here. This tab right here, if you can see it. Let's pull the tab if you can see it right here. And there's instructions on how to set it up. Let's get, so, and then inside we have this, we have the charger right here. There's nothing else in the box. You got the charger right here and branded Google Home. This is the plug that you plug into the wall, and this is the plug that you plug into the Mini. So this is what it looks like with this like felt cloth material on the top right here, and then on the back it has where you can plug it in, and then you can turn it on and off from this button right here. And then it has like a little, soft pad right here, so when you put it on the table it won't move around. So let's see if you can see that logo. There you go. So I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell button so you can be notified when I do more videos. And this has been the unboxing of the Google Home Mini. Talk to you later. Bye.